YouTube, we back with another video, and thank you to our guys at Flash Shark for sending out this nice catback exhaust. Let's install it on the car. Alright, so before we get into taking the old exhaust off and getting the car jacked up, tell you a little something what the exhaust comes with. You have your resonator pipe, you have your through pipe for basically this connects to here. And then you have your mid Y pipe. So it comes with this section, and then it has this section with the clamp that's right there. And then it comes with your two mufflers. Simple exhaust setup. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this, get the car jacked up and everything, and then get under the car and start taking the old one off, and then walk out through the process. All right, so we got it jacked up. Gonna keep my jacks there and my jack stands just in case. Ain't gonna work from the side of the car back. So let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start unbolting from here, which is where our third cat is. And then we're gonna try to shift it out. These bars might have to come off. Yeah, because it got two hangers in there. I'm gonna take the bars off first and then start from there. All right, now we're gonna work this one off. Go ahead and do that. Oh Lord, that's no good. That's no good, chat. I got one bolt out though. You're gonna say we get a bigger impact. Cause let's just come on out, baby. It's loose. Just didn't want to come off of that end piece right there. I'm gonna strip it. It's like stuck. Whew. Alright, now we're taking the hangers out. We ended up having a bolt snap right there on the cat side. So you'll see if we get a replacement bolt or something, drill it out. I don't know. All right, that side is free. I think. Yeah, it's free. All right, so we got the old one out. Just like that. Old OEM exhaust. So this is where we're at right now. I'm thinking about drilling that bolt out with one of these. I don't know if these will be strong enough. See what we can do. As y'all see, cat right there. That bolt there, right there. I don't know if these actually thread or not. My cat's not clogged up though. That's a good sign. I don't know if they thread or not. So we try to figure this out. Pick back up the camera when we figure it out, because I want to get this out. Alright, so we got that section done right there. And now we're on to the rear right here. So we're gonna put this section up there. And we're just working our way back. We're not tightening everything down right now. We're gonna tighten it down eventually.
You can put a jack stand under there, but I'm not going to. Just like that. We're gonna move on to that rear section.
If y'all have been liking the video so far, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're finna get on to y'all probably the favorite part of the video, putting these big man pajamas on, my 2 mufflers. But yeah, finna put that on. Like I said, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to the end of this video. Get y'all some POV drives with the intake and the exhaust installed together in the next video. But yeah, like I said, make sure I go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let's get on to the rest of this video. I just want to say, look how much bigger the exhaust is compared to the OEM one. Look how small these are and stuff. How much bigger this one is.
Trying to get it in there. Hanger first. Just like so.
Alright, so we got that one side on. Now we're gonna do the other, and then we'll be done. We'll tighten up everything. Now I'll pick back up the camera when we done. So like I said, y'all make sure I go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate y'all. And thank you Flash Start for sending out this exhaust system. Alright, so we just got the exhaust installed on the vehicle. Here what the tips look like back there. It's got the silencer in it. We're gonna start it without the silencers, and then we're gonna get a clip without the with the silencers, and then we're gonna get a clip without the silencers. I don't think I'm gonna leave the silencers in there. Definitely don't come out at one point in time. But yeah, Thank you, Flashlight, for sending out this exhaust. It looks great on the car. And we ended up putting a clip where I broke that exhaust bolt on the cat. Ended up putting a clip right there. So hopefully it doesn't leak with that being there. It shouldn't. It's essentially a clamp. So like you having a bolt there anyways. But clean this shop or the garage up and then we'll get y'all a cold start video. Took these out, see if it makes any difference. Alright, so we're finna take it for a little test drive real quick. Go get me something to eat. Basically like a little drive check. See if everything alright with it. Right now, it sounds great. Nothing really wrong with it. I haven't got onto it yet, so it don't sound like it's any leaks anywhere, but I don't know. Never dealt with an exhaust that leaks, so I'm gonna get on it on this street a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna get on it. It definitely smells now. She sound the same. Sound good. It don't sound like a VQ. It's probably because I got the cat still, y'all. I don't know. Sounds good though. It might be a tad bit louder. But like I said, I took out, as y'all seen, I took out the definitely sounds a lot better, y'all. I'm happy with the product. Good quality. Wheels look great on it. Size is great. We'll get a J pipe one day, or a Y pipe, I mean. Scraping though, definitely scraping. It'll rub out though. It'll rub out. See, we'll make it quiet. Go in 6th gear. Can't even hear it. Well, go in 5th gear right here. Oh, we can hear it. Here, 4th gear. There we go. Had to match the RPM with the speed. See, like you can't hear it right here. When you drop it down, you can hear it. Feel a little bit more free flowing now, in a sense. I'll roll that window up for y'all. I don't know if y'all can really hear me that much. Roll that window up for y'all. But it does sound really good, y'all. Gonna go get me something to eat, like I said. The exhaust scrapes on everything now. Smells too. Want to get y'all some I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to make sure to give a big shout out to Flash Shark. Like I said already, give a big shout out to Flash Shark for sending out the exhaust for free. And yeah, I plan on doing more business with you guys with Flash Shark the company. But yeah, I really do say this is my honest review. The exhaust has no drone, lower RPM, yes a little bit, but when you get into higher RPM, it picks up great. Horsepower difference, I don't really feel anything because the car doesn't have a tune on it, so I wouldn't really know, you know what I mean? So maybe like, yeah, 5-10 horsepower, but you can't really feel that. Other than that, it does look good. I have to fix it on the rear side because, I'll show you guys back here. As you see, that pipe compared to that pipe is sticking out a lot more, so yeah, gotta fix that. But yeah, other than that, it's great. You do have to hammer in the middle section because it is a universal pipe, I think from 05, I'm not sure, I have to show the link, but on the older generations you don't have to worry about that, or the newer ones you don't have to worry about that because they give you a little bit more space underneath the trunk section of the car, or really under the back seat section of the car. So yeah, but like I said, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe so we can get more sponsors and more parts on the car, and we can go ahead and buy that second car so we can start with that project too. I want to open up to a new audience. Yes, cars I'm looking into is a SC300 or SN197 5.0. Really thinking of 5.0 to be honest, but in due time I want to get an apartment and all that too. But yeah, like I said, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next video. Y'all motivational quote for today is, stay looking forward in life, never look behind. Whatever happened in the past is in the past for a reason, so stay looking forward, and yeah, everything, you'll be all right. You will be okay. Just make smart decisions in life for my younger people and my older people, because decisions are what get you in trouble. But anyways, like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next video.